evening. I'm today explaining about my project. There were two tasks to complete in this project. The task one is to merge all the content of multiple files into one file, and the second task is about to create a simple calculator using the Python programming. So I'm doing here task one first. I'm importing OS module and system modules here and giving a variable merge list the list. And next, I'm defining the read function and the write function here. The read merge content file full path of the file with open the file in a read mode as a file content and merge list and append them using append method because everyone has to exit in one line. The file of the multiple contents has to be taken in each separate line. So I'm using here append method, and once it gets, it's automatically need to close. And you're defining write function with opening the same result file in the write mode merging list. Next here I'm giving the folder path as per my module. This text file folder is defaultly given in our module, so I'm taking that folder here and displaying the file list, the list of contents in this text file folder. There were notes, projects, task in all the text format, and the output for defining the variable output file where it has to be stored. os.path.join folder path plus the name of the merged content is file was merged content.txt file. Next, deleting the merged file before the start of the program every time if we try to execute multiple times, right? For each time before executing, the previously executed result file has to be deleted. So for that I'm creating and deleting to remove that file. I'm giving if else using os module path.is file output file, and remove function I'm using to directly remove the output file which is created before the start of the program by using this. And next, verification of file existing and reading the files. Let's check here by using the for loop. File in the file list, the given file has to check in the file list. If the file path is in a read mode, it's read. If the file is empty or doesn't exist, else it will print as file doesn't exist and please check. And given the file path variable, and system gets automatically exit function you are using. Creating much content if not empty. Here we are checking if the file is empty or we are reading it if the file is existing or not. After that it's get successful. Here we need to check the merge list content using if merge list, write the merge content from all the files in the output file and then print as the content of the files to return to the folder path. Merge content file successfully. It just gives the statement that the file has been created successfully at which path, the folder path, which is nothing but here we given here, right? But add something text. Now we need to execute the program, run the program. Here see the content of the files is returned to the particular path, folder path, merge content file successfully. Just finish. So merge content is text file is created successfully. See, the merge content is created successfully. Next task is coming to task 2. I'm importing the system modules here. The task 2 is nothing but I already said, creating a simple calculator using the 4 different operands: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I'm defining each operand here. First I am defining addition. It's like two input one with addition of two numbers, first input and second input. The output should be an input plus second input, and I'm rounding the output to 2 decimals and return the output. The program has to return the output. Same like this, I am defining each one, subtract, multiply and divide using the same round module, round function to to define the output to two decimals and returning the output. Next, here at the output to display like print selection. I'm giving for each operand a number like one in a order, one addition, two subtraction, three multiplication, four divide. Next, asking the user to enter the input is of his choice using try exceptional handling here. If while true, the selection has been true and the choice has to be given by the input here, and the choice should be between the 1 and 4. If the choice is less than 1 or less than or greater than or equal to 5, it will break the statement and print as please enter the correct input between 1 and 4 except the value error. If the value is directly error, nothing, but if the values other than here the value is used like some string like character, it will directly print as invalid input. Next, again I am creating one more exceptional handling here, try exceptional handling. For that, if the input is between 1 and 4, next it comes to this exceptional handling. We are asking the user to enter input the first number. If the first number is if the first number is an integer, it checks integer, or else it also check float also being giving here. I'm giving float class also to take the value. If the entered input is nothing an integer or a float, if it is a character, it will display as the program is expecting only numerical values, and I'm using the break statement here, directly exit the program. If you enter the first number except either integer or some float number, it directly exit the program by using this break statement. And check into the second input, the user asks for the to enter the second input, second number here is like same one. If the second input is also integer or defining a float class, if both not accept, there will be error. It like if you give character or something special D number, it print like the program is expecting only numerical values, and I am also using here break statement to exit the program. If the input is other than integer or a float, it directly exit the program. If the enter choice is between 1 and 4 and the inputs are like in the integer or a float, it checks with this one. If I am using here, if the enter choice is 1, the result will be add first number, second number, and at the output print like the using operand addition, and print addition of two numbers in the format. The output will be shown like this, print addition of two inputs. I'm using string of the first number operand here, operand addition operand here, plus string of second, so second input here, and it will be stored in the result here. It shows the result here in the string. In the same way, if the choice is not 1, it checks with else choice 2. The result here, the for the choice 2 it is subtraction. Same like print operation, print subtraction of two inputs and the result. If the both inputs are not 1 or 2 choices, then the check with the else choice 3 is multiply. And same like others, it will also print the operand, print the output of two numbers using multiple operand. In the line, if not, check with the 4. But for the division, if the second number is 0, it won't accept, because 0 something by 0 gets infinity in the mathematical, so it won't accept. If the That's why I'm here mentioning the if else here. If second number input is 0, print division 0 is not accepted, please provide the proper number, and directly a system gets exists. So the result is equal to divide, division of first number and second number, print operand divide, print division of two inputs, first string by second string is equal to result. So now let's check with output. I'm running the program. Yeah, as per the here statements, we get the operands in the order 1, 2, 3. Please select an operation. Please select the operation 1, subtraction, addition, multiplication, and asking the user to enter his choice. Asking for the choice, please enter the as per this statement. So let's check. I'm giving some other than 4, some string or character here. See, directly displaying as invalid. I already mentioned if other than 1024 something we give, it shows print like invalid. Just next select the correct number, either 4 I'm selecting, my choice is. So it's asking for the first number. It's numerical, that's fine. If the first number is numerical, if the second number, or else we check this except print, the program is expecting only numbers. We'll check. I will give here the number like some integer here. See, the program is expecting only numerical values, and by the break statement is directly getting exiting the program. So again run the program now. Let's check with the proper values. I'm giving input like 3. It's a multiplication. So first number I'm giving in floats like this, and the second number as well. See, as per here, let's see multiply first number and second number. Print like operation multiply and print the multiplication of two inputs. Input 130 and input to 2.1 is equal to result will be displayed at 64.45. So the program runs successfully. Thank you for watching this. Have a good day.